Yaki Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Pin Donkam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pin lat ka khuslai laha miet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pin yo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Kasorkar Jala Upa Alexander Elhek Hakakhanyo Tarek Ujellio Arajar Arpsan Ulaong Baka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016 Kaday kaway nagian kapapakatam ban pintikna ya kajingsngan bat kajingyada ya kajingem jong ginong jingo kay partay kibawan siya po kajala Meghalaya. Ha kajingkran bat kilal patay kubor ubahek ulaong ba kanikaan kapan kuboru wat yakidor barsnong bagindubla ban bu jingtho ya kakerteng jong kibriyo kibasa ha kisnong gitaw jong ki da kajetri lang bat kipulit na kabenta kajingsingan bat kajingyada ya kinong shnong bat yakibriyo kibawan nabar jong kajala. Ulaong ru ba kajingbu yaki kordop talasi mender kum ki entry bat exit point kim da Donkam than Lada kanikaan kala Treikam Pura.
If we have a very strong mechanism, if we start with the MRSSA also, it will be a very, I'm telling you, one of the best mechanism to establish this, to introduce this MRSSA. For benefit not only for the citizens of Meghalaya, I'm not talking for the citizens of Meghalaya, I'm talking also for the safety and security for those tourists are coming from outside. Not only tourists, those anybody is also coming from outside to Shillong, they're going for some official work or for any purposes. There should be safety and security. We have to take the responsibility as not only as a government or as the police, as one human being. We should take the safety security of all human beings.
Do you think that the entry-exit point should be monitored?
See, when you will be bring the MRSSA in place, we don't need this entry-exit point. So they will be taken care of by all the people involved there, particularly with all the localities. The Darbashnom, they have to give a strong teach to the Darbashnom to do the registration. They will inform the police of that locality. Everybody, if we have the police bid house, the police station, everybody will be working together. Hand in hand, they will be working to ensure the safety of all the citizens and also particularly for people coming from the outside the states.
So you mean to say that you are trusting MRSSA over ILP?
I saw the MRSA is very effective to be. When they will establish this, when they will start this MRSA, the trial and error is always there. The trial and error is always there. But we have this mechanism, why not use this mechanism also?
But the amended one.
Amended one only, which one already amended by our government. We have to introduce that one amended one only.
But has the received Home Ministries not?
Oh, see, I'm telling you, this is, of course, I don't know whether it will be a central subject or not, but it is, even the state can introduce this MRSSA.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.